So the first color I'm going to go in with is this color, and that color is called, I think it's called Creamsicle. It's like the names are all on the back, so I'm guessing that's what the color's called. So I'm gonna go with this one color first, put that in my crease, and I'm using a Morphe M511 brush. I've been loving this palette so much. You can do like different color looks. You can do pretty much any look with this palette. I'm really loving it. It was a good purchase, and I'll be using it probably mostly all my videos. Well, not all of them, but somewhat this palette I'm using it for like the colorful looks, the bright colored type of looks, you know? So I'm putting this color in the crease. Okay, let's move on to the next color. So the next color I will be doing is this one. It's kind of like an orangey reddish color. I don't know the name of it. I think it's called Hunts. That's the name of the color, and I'm only going to do on half of the brush so it doesn't go up too high. See, it's like orangey reddish color. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow brush that came with the palette. So next I'm going in with this color, this one right here. It's like a cranberry one. I'm using my Morphe M511 brush, and I did clean it off in the other color. And that's gonna go on top of those colors, basically. Now going back in with a cranberry, I'm gonna put that as the lid color.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration.
So I did my eyeliner and I did my eyelashes off camera. The eyeliner that I did was the L'Oreal Blackest Black one. And then for eyelashes, I did Dodo lashes, but I forgot what style they were in. But yeah. So for the face, for the foundation, I'm going to use 120 Classic Ivory Fit Me Maybelline. And then I'm going to use my foundation brush. It's the e.l.f. Pointed Foundation Brush. I like to start out with, when I do my foundation, I like to start out with the brush, like put it all around, and then I use my beauty blender to blend it all out so it's not so cakey. Okay, and I'm gonna grab my beauty blender and blend all this out. Like I said, I just wanted to get it everywhere, all over my face and my neck, and then I blend it out with my beauty blender. Some left on my hand, I'm just gonna take and put it all over my face. Spritz my beauty blender once more with my Urban Decay long all-nighter. Okay, for concealer, I'm going to use my Fit Me Maybelline in the shade 1515. Oh, and for my eyebrows, I forgot to mention this. I used to use this one for my eyebrows. It was in the shade 15, but it was somewhat too dark for them to like, you know. So I went down color for a lighter color, and this one I put for my eyebrows, and this I do for my under eyes from now on, because this one was just a little too tad dark for my eyebrows, so I went down color. Thought I should mention that to you guys. So I don't go over dramatic with concealer. I don't need to do that. Grab my beauty blender and blending that in. So I'm going to set my under eye with some translucent powder. Always, 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 always do this, because it will crease on you, girl. And when you're oily too, especially, you'll get creases here. You mostly get oily. I get oily on my forehead, on my T-zone, and my nose. So I put a bunch of translucent powder right there. And then I put some underneath my eyes, so that doesn't crease either. For bronzer, I'm going to use my Too Faced bronzer in this shade light to medium matte bronze. I'm going to pinch the brush to make it smaller for my nose. already dipped this brush in highlight. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight. I already has put some on here already. Let's go see the final results. So this is the final results. I love it so much. It's summery. It's a bold look. I just love it. It goes perfect with summer right now, and I really like it. I do have a top on, so don't panic. But yeah, I really, really, really love this look. It's edgy and I like it. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, you guys know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye!